Now let's see how can we actually help, us, the children, and this entire system. So school has a lot of influence. We've just been talking about our development, right? School again has a lot of influence on children. And why is that? Because we make up a big part of their social growth, right? Apart from their academic growth, we are like a mini society for them. Their first exposure, right? Their first formal exposure to society is through the school system. They understand the concept of uniform, they understand the concept of conducting themselves, they understand the concept of staying in a community, they understand the concept of holding back, what to say, etc., etc. So in this process, their primary way of learning these social rules, right? The fact that don't scream, don't shout. Every at home, it has always been told to them, don't do this, don't do that, or parents have taught them in their own ways. But being in school, they learn it. It is reinforced so much better. That standing in assembly, they all want to sit down, but they have learned, oh, if everybody is doing it, I must also abide by this rule. And then tomorrow they will walk into the real world and they will possibly drive a car, they will be in social places, they will go to parties, they will interact with their fellow mates, colleagues, etc. So they will understand, oh, when I'm in a group, I have to behave according to the requirements and the rulings of the group. And that is happening through observation. Okay, now that development takes place in school under four categories. One, they're physically, of course, growing. So one is their physical growth along with their them going through puberty, etc. Second is their emotional growth, right? They are developing the way that they respond to situations around them. Remember that cognitive development, because of which they were not able to respond so well, is now developing through our classrooms, through our schools, right? Third is their social structure. We've already talked about this. They understand the concept of society. We are a mini society for them, right? And last but not the least, educational, etc., or intellectual, actually gaining the facts, actually learning the knowledge, right? That is also happening through these. Now, the school and the society, we are responsible for shaping our children and through some few points. So we are responsible by imparting values to them, imparting skills to them, socializing with them, and creating a sense of security for them, right? So these four elements is what this development is based off of, right? These four areas are based off of these four things, right?